Mathematics is hard. Who agree?
Yes.
Me.
The hands of those who does. But what if I told you that mathematics that we have in our previous year is much or quite harder than the mathematics that we have on our current year? The mathematics in the modern world. And today, in front of you is the fifth group. I am Jasmine Guzman, together with Mr. Roniel Domingo, Ms. Reinita Torre, and Ms. Rebillaco, and we are going to talk about the measures of relative possession. What comes to your mind when you hear the word measures of relative possession? Just kidding. So measures of relative possession is going to be our topic today. And our topic is divided into 5. First, we have the z-score. Second, we have the percentile. Third, we have the quartile. Fourth, we have the box and whisker plot. And fifth, we have the stem and the diagram. And first, we have Mr. Roniel Domingo to discuss about the z-scores.
So Z-scores. Consider an internet site that offers movie download based on the data kept by the site, an estimate of the mean time to download a certain movie in 30 minutes with a standard deviation of 4 minutes. When the download this movie, the download takes 20 minutes, which you think is usually long time for to download. So ayun yung question, hindi yung meaning ng Z-score. So below shows the download times for the movie using two different measures. The number of minutes to download time is from the mean that the numbers of standard deviation, the downloads time is from the mean. Ito po yung ano niya. Pakita. So isulat ko na lang dito. So, base nga sa may given natin kanina, yung 1.5 yung standard deviation below the mean. Tapos, 2 naman kapag standard deviation above. Pag nasa taas, ito pababa to. Tapos, 6 minutes, ito yung below the mean nasa baba na. Tapos, pag 12 minus 20 is equal to 8. Magiging 8 minutes yung above the mean natin. So, yun lang. Tapos, ang z-score for a given value x na naman, is the number of standard deviation that is x is above the below the mean of the data. The following formula shows how to calculate the z-score for a data value x in a population in a sample. So, ito yung magiging formula natin. Pag sa sample naman, Cx is equal to x minus x. So, ayan. So, ayan. So, merong example dito. Raul has taken 2 tests In his chemistry class, he scored 72 on the first test, for which the mean of all scores was 65. And he received 60 on the second test, of which mean of all scores was 45. And the standard deviation was 12. In comparison, the other student did not do better on the first test or the second test. So, ito papaliwanag ko yan. So, ang Z natin is 72, siyang nauna. Tapos, equals to 72 ulit. Siya ulit yung population natin. Minus 65. Over 8. Siya yung nakuha natin kanina sa... O, basta yun. Equals to... Makakalculate na ako. 78 minus 65 divided by T.
0.875. 0.69.875.
Ha? 72 minus 65 divide T.
0.875.
Thank you. 0.8075. So, ayan po yung magiging sagot natin sa my population. Tapos, kapag sa sample naman po ganito, Z natin ay 60 equals 60 minus 45 over 12. Ito po yun. Ano po magiging sagot natin?
1.25.
Thank you. 1.25. So, ayan lang po yung unang step para makuha po natin ang Z-score. Then, paano nga ba gamitin ang Z-score? So, meron tayong problem na naman dito, problema na naman. A consumer group tests a sample of 100 light bulbs. It found that the mean life expectancy of the bulb was 842 hours, with a standard deviation of 90. One particular light bulb from the Dura-Bright company had Z-score of 12. Ito yung Z-score niya. 1.2 pa. 1.2 pa lang. What was the lifespan of the light bulb? So, ganito lang, para natin masasagot itong tanong na to. So, ganito lang siya. Kukuha lang din natin yung formula ng Zx is equal to x minus x over s. So, ganito yan. Kukuhanin muna natin ito. 1.2 is equal to x. So, ayan yun. Minus yung oras 842 over 90. Yung standard deviation niya. So, ang makukuha natin dito, 1.2 times natin sa 90 is, pakikalculate po. Faster, please. 100 Thank you, 100 is equal to x minus 842. Paki-plus po. 842 minus plus 180. 950. Thank you so much. Ang magiging sagot natin ay 950. So, ayan po yung magiging oras para makuha po natin yung lifespan ng light bulb. So, ayan po ang ating Z-score. percentile. So meron na lang tayong problem dito. On a reading examination given to 900 students, Eileen has scored 602. Was higher than the score of 572 students who took the examination. What is the percentile for Eileen's score? So balik siya. Percentile is equal to number of data values than less than 602. Over total number of data values times 100. So ano nga ba yung mga given natin? So asan ba yung less than 602? Harap na to, asan yung less than 602? Ang husay, 572 over total number of data values. Ha? Total number of data values. 900. Ha? 900 at the examination given as students. 900 at the given students. Times 100. So, pang-calculate ko.
64.
64 ang magiging sagot. Gets ba? So, yung score of 600 to place her on the 64th percentile. So, magiging 64 pang 64 siya. Gets? Nagigets ko ka?
Yung 100 yung nabasa sa iyo.
So, yun lang po.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about quartile. The three numbers, first quartile, second, and third quartile. The partition around data set into four approximately equal groups are called the quartile of the data. Now, una natin natin is yung quartile 2. Para makuha natin yung quartile 2 or the second quartile is kailangan natin makahanap ang median dito sa data na to. So, what is the median of this data? 29. So, this is the quartile 2. Then, para naman makuha natin yung quartile 2, the median of the data values less than the quartile, second quartile. So, dito natin makukuha yung first quartile. Kaya, ang first quartile natin is 11. Kaya lagi natin inuunang maharap yung quartile 2 is para makuha din natin yung quartile 1 and 3. So, next naman is what is the quartile, third quartile. 104. So, 104. So we have a procedure for finding quartiles. Number one is, kailangan mo munang pagsunod-sunodin yung mga data. Simula tayo sa mababa hanggang pataas. Then, find the median of the data. This is the second quartile. Next is the first quartile is the median of the data, while it's less than the second quartile. And the third quartile is the median of the data values greater than 2. So we have the example here. The following table is the followers for 100 milliliters of 25 popular soda as point of our Ha? So iaayos muna natin siya.
10:30 na.
So sa data na nabuo natin is, nasan dyan ang quartile 2? So number 43. Kasi siya yung median ng data. Then hanapin naman natin yung quartile 1.
39.
Ito yung 39. Pag-aalin lang natin siya then divided by 2. Then what is the third quartile? 50 and ganun din yung gagawin natin. Pag-aanin lang natin siya and then divided by 2. 81.5. Nakakita yung value ng following data is the way it also given like a quartiles in a random sample. Find the quartiles for the data. So, ayusin ulit natin yung data. Ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. Hanapin natin yung first quartile, second, and the third. So the second quartile is the 12.4 kasi ito yung median. And the first is
108.
the 10.8. And third is 14.2. Kasi Yun lang po. Sila na to pa? Now let us proceed with the box and whisker plots.
So a box and whisker plots, sometimes called a box plot, is often used to provide a visual summary of a set of data. A box and whisker plot shows the median, the first and third quartiles, and the minimum and maximum values of data sets. So here is the construction of box and whisker plot. So number 1, draw a horizontal scale that extends from the minimum data value to the maximum data value. Number 2, above the scale, draw a rectangle or box with its left side quartile 1 and sa right naman po is quartile 3. Number 3, draw a vertical line segment across the rectangle at the median, quartile 2. And last number 4, draw a horizontal line segment called a whisker that extends from quartile 1 to the minimum and another whisker that extends from quartile 3 to the maximum.
So in addition to that, it is called box and whisker plot simply because it is the box and there's two lines on the both sides is called whisker. So paano nga ba siya natin i-apply sa isang data set? So here the example. First we have this is the data set that we are going to use first as an example. So these are 13 numbers in total. Ang una natin gagawin, we have to first arrange them in ascendant order. So magkakasunod. First we have the A's.
Sige.
So we have 13 numbers in total na naka-arrange na. And the next thing that we have to do is we have to find the median o yung second quartile na nabanggit ni Miss Reinita kanina. So, ang gagawin dyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the number 20 as a median or the second quartile. So lalagyan natin siya ng buhin dito in order to show na mayroong naghahati between this data. So dito yung 20, number 20, and this is the second quartile. And to determine kung paano ito nakahati itong sa left side, kailangan natin bilangan ulit. So 6 numbers in total. So to determine kung ano ba yung median, itong data sa left side, we have to know kung ano ba ulit yung gitna. So since even number siya, ng Reinita na 6. Ano nga ba yung, hanapin natin yung average. So, ang average ng 11 and 13 ay 12. So, the number 12 will be our Q1. So, the same thing with these numbers on the right side. So, ang gitna natin ay 27 and 29. So, ang lalagyan natin ng division dito ulit. And ang average ng 27 and 29 ay 28. So, that will be our QT or the third quartile. Sa box and whisker plot kasi, merong 5 data na kailangan. Namely, those minimum, the maximum, the first quartile, the second, and the third quartile. So, meron na tayong tatlong data. Ang kailangan pa yung minimum at maximum. So, paano ba natin makukuha yung minimum and maximum? So, since ito, yung pinakamaliit na number sa dataset, this will be the minimum. And the same thing here, since ito yung pinakamaliit na number, ito yung magiging ang maximum natin. And before applying that to this box and whisker plot, kailangan mo natin ma-determine kung ito bang maximum and minimum na nasa dataset ay outliers. Kapag sinabi natin outliers, nakakasama siyang maipa-plot dito. However, ay hindi siya kasama inside this box and whisker plot. Nandito lang siya sa labas. It's either dito or sa kabilang gilid. So, paano na natin malalaman kung outlier ba yung minimum and maximum? First, we have to use the formula Q1 minus 1.5 multiplied by IQR, and Q3 plus 1.5 multiplied by IQR. So, ano ba yung tinutukoy kong IQR dyan? Kapag sinabi mong IQR, ang tinutukoy mo dyan ay yung interquartile range. Ano ba yung interquartile range? So, that interquartile range or the IQR ay makukuha sa pamamagitan ng pagmaminus ng ating Q1 at Q3 and Q1. What we're going to do is that we have to subtract the third quartile to the first quartile. So, we have 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12. 16. We have number 16. So, ito po ay ignore natin. Kasi nalilito ako sa kanina. So, gagamitin na siya natin dito sa formula. So, our Q1, we have 12. 12 minus 1.5 multiplied by our IQR, which is 16. And our third quartile is 28. So, 28 plus 1.5 multiplied by 16. So, ito na yung number na in-apply doon sa formula. So, 12 minus 1.5 multiplied by 16 will be
1.5 yung sa 12 minus 1. Minus na.
will be negative 12. And 28 plus 1.5 multiplied by 16 will be number 52. So, tingin niyo ba, itong number 8 ay kabilang dito sa negative 12 hanggang sa 52? Yes, kabilang mo yung number 8 range. Sa number ranging from negative 12 hanggang 52. Kasi yung bilang niya, negative 11, negative 10 hanggang umakyat ng 52. And kabilang din yung 49 dito since 52 naman yung dulo ng ating number range. So, walang outlier dito. So, ipa-plot na natin siya into a box and whisker plot. So, on our first quartile, we have 12. So, dito yung magiging unit niyan. And in our third quartile, we have the number 28. So, dito siya mapupunta. So, ayan na yung step 2 kanina naman. And we have to draw the box sa taas ng ating number 9. So, since ang ating second quartile o yung umaatin dito sa box ay 20, dito yung magiging unit niyan. And ang minimum natin, kung nakikita nyo dito, ay number 8. So, dito mapupunta yung isang whisker or yung minimum since dito, okay. And our maximum is 49. So, ganito yung pag-apply nung ating data, example sa 1, into a box and whisker plot. Ngayon, lumako naman tayo sa stem and leaf diagram. So kapag sinabi natin stem and leaf diagram, distribution of data into a table. Actually, hindi naman siya talaga gumagamit ng stem and leaf. Pinangalanan siyang stem and leaf kasi pinangalanan lang siyang stem and leaf kasi yung dalawang column ay labeled as a stem and leaf. So let me show you how to use this stem and leaf diagram. So first, we have an example here. So these are the data set. Unlike kung sa pinaliwanag ko kanina na box and whisker plot, hindi na siya i-arrange into a separate order. Ang gagawin dito, we have to group these numbers into tens. So here we have number 8, number 7 and 8. And next we have 13, 15, 17. Arrange siya by tens. So we are going to apply these into a stem and leaf diagram. Pwede siyang S na lang, or pwede rin dito sa second column na L na lang yung i-label. So paano ang gagawin? Let me provide you a key. So here's the key here. So the 7 or the 0 and the 7 represents the 0, 7 or the number 7 here. So ang mangyayari dyan, we're going to distribute this data into here. So ang mangyayari, since we have the 7 and 8 as first row, ang mangyayari, we have to put 0 here, 7 dito, and 8. So bakit yung isa wala ng 0? Kasi dapat isa na lang siya dito. Since dito, meron siyang imaginary 0 para dito tabi kapag individual o isa lang yung number. So hindi na siya lalagyan ng comma, it's just basically distributing those data. So next, we have here the 13, the 15, and 17. So same goes here. 1 na lang, or yung tens na lang nilalagay, the 3, 5, and 7. So kapag pinagsama, or kapag binasa, that will going to be 1, 3, 13, 1, 5, 15, and 1, 7 as 17. So gano'n na lang din yung mga sumusunod na data. Isang beses lang ulitin yung tens dito. Those data into a stem and leaf diagram. So, paano naman yung gagawin natin kapag the example is beyond 100 o tatlo na yung numbers ng data? So, we have here the set of data, namely 72, 85, 89, 93, 88, 76, 108, 115, 97, 102, and 113. So kung makikita nyo, meron na siyang numbers na tatlo na yung data. So paano ba yung gagawin? Again, i-arrange lang ulit into group of numbers by tens. 76. And the second row, we have 85, 88, and 89. So ang keyword here, when we have this kind of number na tatlo na or beyond 100 na, here's the key. So 11 and 3 will represent 113. So ang iniwan pa rin parate sa may leaf or sa column ng leaf ay yung last numbers, yung 8, yung 2, yung 5, and so on. However, so that is how we use stem and leaf diagram.